Hello, my name is Beth Pack, and this is the revised version of my listening speaking micro lesson. It's good to see you today. If you remember previously, we talked about the book called Fancy Nancy Pajama Day. Fancy Nancy Pajama Day. It was a very good book. It was a fun book. It is by Jane O'Connor. Jane O'Connor has written many books, almost 80 books, and they're very educational. If you would like to listen to it be read to you, and I highly recommend that you do this, I highly recommend that you read or listen to it read to you 2 times. And in fact, let me show you what you will see when you go to this address right here. It is on YouTube. And here, let me pull it up here. It's amazing the many books that are online to be read to you. There is the Berenstain Bears, there are many, many books. But this book in particular, Fancy Nancy Pajama Day, Read Along, a loud story for children and kids. It's very good. It's a very easy way to listen to the book. All right, I can't share any more with you. That's my 10-second version of that. But I highly recommend that you listen to this story read to you 2 times. And the first time that you listen to the story, I would like for you to listen for these questions right here. And I've already given you the answers to them. Number 1, and I am assuming that you've already listened to this book. Number 1, who is the speaker? Nancy is. She is the narrator. What is the main idea of this story? Well, there's a pajama day at school. There's a pajama day at school. Number 3, why was the story written? Well, it was written to introduce new vocabulary and to discuss social and relational issues like friendships, issues with friendships, especially as children. It's very good to learn how to work through social problems with friends. Number 4, where does the story take place? The story mostly takes place at school and at home. Number 5, what are the names of Nancy's friends? Well, their names are Bree and Clara. Bree and Clara. Number 6, what kind of pajamas does Nancy wear? Well, she wears an elegant nightgown. She likes the word elegant. She likes that word, nightgown. Number 7, what does the principal have in his hands? What is he holding when she comes to school that day? He is holding a teddy bear. It goes with his pajamas that he's wearing. Yes, he is holding a teddy bear. Number 8, why do Clara and Bree say that they are twins? Well, they had the same pajamas and they have grape rolls in their lunch. So they think they are twins because they look alike and they have the same thing in their lunch. Number 9, what is on Clara and Bree's pajamas? Do you remember hearing that? Well, they have hearts and polka dots, and they are pajamas. They have a shirt and pants to them. Number 9, here I'm going to scroll this up a little bit. What is on Clara and Bree's? Oh, actually, I already said that, didn't I? I already said that. I am sorry. I made a mistake. Number 10, how is Nancy's nightgown hurt? How is her nightgown hurt or damaged? That's another word. The hem rips when Robert steps on it. She is not happy about that. The bottom part of her nightgown is ripped. All right, number 11. What makes Nancy feel better at the end of the story? Well, Nancy is invited and included in a sleepover at her friend's house. So that way she gets to spend time with her friends. They are both her friends, but she felt excluded because her two friends were wearing the same thing, and they were always saying that they were twins, and Nancy did not feel like she was included. She was excluded, which that is one of the fancy words that Nancy was talking about in her in the story. So Nancy, as she is narrating the story, she gives us these words. They are called fancy words, and they're really their vocabulary that you can learn. So let's talk about these fancy words. The first one, dilemma. Dilemma. It is a problem. Elegant. Elegant. It means fancy. Excluded. Excluded. It means left out. Immature. Immature. It means babyish. Reply. Reply is an answer. If I ask you, if you ask me a question, I will reply with an answer. I will give you an answer. Reply. Unique. Unique. It means one of a kind. And finally, unison. Unison. It means all together. We are saying things. Everybody is saying the same thing at the same time. They are speaking in unison, all together. Everybody doing it all together. Now we're going to talk about these words and their pronunciation. And so I decided to do the identify, compare, and produce way of teaching this, all right? So the first word we were talking about was dilemma. Well, here's another word, and it's a name, Emma. Emma. So dilemma, Emma. All right, the next word is elegant. Elegant. Here's another word that sounds very similar. Relevant. Relevant. Elegant, relevant. Okay? The next word, excluded. Excluded. Eluded. Eluded. Immature. Immature. Here's a word, it means small. Miniature. Miniature. Immature, miniature. Okay. Reply. Reply. Hereby. Hereby. Unique. Unique. Boutique. Boutique. Unison. Unison. Medicine. Medicine. All right. Thank you so much. You are such a wonderful class. You did great today. Thank you for watching my video.